Okay, please don't label me as a nasty person. Excuse me, guys. It just came out. I started a video and I was, the way I was talking, it just, instead of talking, and I just, yeah, see? So, just excuse me for my burps, okay? That's the professional way of excusing yourself, having manners. So, yeah. I try to drink the whole thing down, guys. Comment down below if you want to see a video of me like trying to drink something in one gulp. I could try different things. Maybe it's water. I can do it